Hello, dear students. Welcome to Notebook. Today is a new day, and we shall start a new lesson where we shall learn about how to measure time. Students, do you know that we have 5 seasons in a year? Let us see how these seasons differ from one another. Do you know in which season all the flowers start blooming? It is the season of spring, children. It is during spring that all around us we find lush greenery. The weather is cheerful and the birds chirp and sing in joy. After spring comes the season of summer. In summer, the sun shines with all its might. The days are long, which means children like you all can play for a long time and the weather is quite warm. After summer, it is time for the monsoon season. This is the time when rainfall occurs and water drops come from the sky. During monsoon, we often find peacocks dancing and frogs croaking around us. With the end of monsoon starts another season, autumn. The first thing that we see in autumn is the falling of leaves. All the trees shed their leaves and a cool wind starts blowing. This season has its own beauty and is quite refreshing. As autumn ends, a new season greets us, which is winter. This is the time when we all feel cold. The weather becomes cold and snow starts to fall. We start wearing warm woolen clothes. Look, we have made a snowman for you. Dear students, wasn't that fun? Now, let us identify some of the biggest festivals that we celebrate during each of these seasons. The most beautiful and colorful festival that we celebrate in spring is Holi. We also celebrate Bihu, Lori, and Baisakhi, among other festivals during this time. During the summer season, we celebrate festivals like Buddha Purnima and Rath Yatra, among other festivals. Do you know which festivals we celebrate during the season of monsoon? We celebrate Raksha Bandhan, Guru Purnima, and Janmashtami, among other festivals. Next comes autumn, and during this time we celebrate festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Onam, Durga Puja, and Navratri, along with other festivals. As you know, after autumn comes the season of winter. This is when we celebrate Bhai Dooj, Dhanteras, Diwali, and Christmas, among the other festivals. Dear students, now I think you will be able to relate different festivals with different seasons easily. But when we learn about seasons, we must also learn about calendars. Now, every one of you must have seen calendars in your houses, right? But do you know how to read calendars? Let us learn about it. Look at this year's calendar on your screen. Can you tell me that all the months have equal number of days or not? No, right? Some have 30 days and some have 31 days. February is the only month which is 28 days in general. Can you tell me how many days are there in January, March, May, July, August, October, and December? Each of these months have 31 days in them. Can you tell me how many days are there in April, June, September, and November? There are 30 days in each of these months. Students, can you tell me how many days are there in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. From the calendar, can you tell me how many Sundays are there in the month of April? Yes, there are 5 Sundays in the month of April. Now, if I tell you to find the total number of days in the months of June and July, Will you be able to find? For this, you just need to find the number of days in June, which is 30, and the number of days in July, which is 31. Now you need to add these two numbers, 30 and 31, and the result will be 61 days. So the total number of days in the months of June and July combined will be 61. So students, here we shall take our leave. We shall return with more fun facts on how to measure time. See you all.